Hi, I'm Frank with Public Spend Forum, back again with another video tutorial on GovShop, a great tool for doing simple supplier and market research. But now sometimes to come up with the most comprehensive supplier list, you often need to use many keywords and conduct multiple searches. This is the exact reason why we've developed the GovShop Search Assistance Tool, which you can find right here under the Buyers tab. Now this tool will help you document and then use keywords more effectively to conduct your best supplier research on GovShop. You can also use these keywords to conduct broader market research through other sources. So this is inside the GovShop Search Assistance Tool, and it's got a little purpose section so you can understand why we put it together. And by the way, we would love your feedback. If you have any, please share it with us, govshop@publicspendforum.net. But if you scroll down, you see there's a place to enter the name of the opportunity that you're working on. You've got section 1 here, which is search keywords, codes, and contracts. You're going to want to take a few minutes to record keywords that can be used to guide your GovShop supplier research or any other market research that you choose to do. So as you find those keywords, enter them here. You can use tools like Google to find keywords. You can read, and I always recommend you do this, read your requirements document, read the statement of work, pull out any term you think might be relevant to finding suppliers that can satisfy that requirement. We also recommend using a tool called the psctool.us. This is something that DoD has put together to help you search product service codes in a more effective manner. I'll show you how that looks like. Here is the psctool.us, and it's just simple. You can search taxonomy very easily. We could use a keyword like cyber and see what type of product service codes return for cyber. And the nice thing is they also have relevant NAICS codes as well. So product service codes and the national industry classification codes are in there. Okay, back over in the GovShop Search Assistance Tool, Part 2 is to help you identify category codes. And this is optional. You don't always have to do this, but most contract writing systems require you to put in some category code when you go to create that contract document. So not a bad idea to go ahead and use this section to identify the category codes that relate to your requirement. Now remember, more than one code is usually associated with a requirement, so it's okay to have a few different product service codes listed in here. You can use GovShop category code search for this, which is nice. Here it is. Browse by product and service offerings. So you've got product service code, NAICS codes, PSF markets, and NIGP codes, and you can just search by keyword right there. All right, section 3 of the GovShop Search Assistance Tool is contract vehicles. This is also optional. You don't always have to buy things off a government-wide acquisition contract or a cooperative purchase agreement, but it's not a bad strategy if you're trying to get goods and services onto contract quicker and you want to take advantage of some of the price economies that government-wide contracts have to offer. So here you'll want to enter in any federal supply schedules, GWACs, cooperative purchase agreements that you think might be worth researching. Contract vehicles aren't just a great place to buy, they're a good place to learn. You can read the contract documentation, you can read the scopes of work that went into these large contract vehicles and learn a lot about what you're buying for your customer. And GovShop makes it really easy to search contract vehicles. You can start from the home screen and jump right into Browse by Contract Vehicle, or you can also get there from the keyword search headings. If we use the keyword cyber, for instance, it pulls up contract vehicles that return a search with cyber in their contract name. So we can see what 8 contract vehicles in GovShop have cyber capabilities within them. So here's what a GovShop Search Assistance Tool might look like after it's filled out. In this case, we were reviewing a broad agency announcement from the U.S. Air Force for cyber knowledge. And so, we read the documentation, we pulled out the keywords, we identified the product service codes that are relevant. That's NAICS codes, PSC codes, and then PSF markets, because that's going to help us in our GovShop research. And we also took some time to find the contract vehicles, and we know GSA schedules, IT-70 schedule is going to be where the cyber related opportunities are. So we pulled that in there, and you can see by subsin, by keyword, we've got a couple different results that might be helpful for us. So that's a GovShop Search Assistance Tool. As I mentioned, you can download it right here in the For Buyers tab on the GovShop home screen. And we hope it's useful. And please, like we said, share your feedback with us. We want to make this tool dynamic and useful for you. So any thoughts or feedback are very much appreciated. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.